Hello guys, today I'm going to do the unboxing for VS Advantage. Guys, it's like a sneaker shoes from Adidas and they're really nice shoes, so let's open it. So here you guys see it has standard Adidas 3 stripes but in different color, blue, red and then again blue. And you see the shape of the shoes from the front. It's powder white, really white and really clean. And you can see here it has a stripe from this side, and on the inner side it has stitches and then the dots over here. And you can see from the back it has 3 stripe at the back side, and they stitch it and it will look like that, guys. And from the downside you can see the famous Adidas written over here, and then there is a round like circles, and you can see here it's a flat from downside. You can see here, guys. It's a really nice shoes and I love it, and when you wear it with jeans, especially like with the blue color jeans, it looks really nice, guys. And the other thing is it has very soft cushioning inside, so when you wear it you will feel really comfortable, guys. So you can see here the laces are white, and from the inside usually we call it a tongue. It's written Adidas in red color, guys. So it looks like that. So there you go. So from the front, when you wear it looks like this. There is no stitches on the front side, no stitches, and there is a stitches over here. And this cushioning is really soft. It's not a memory foam, but it's still really soft cushioning, guys. And this tongue is also comfortable. When you wear it you feel really comfortable, guys. You can see here. So guys, this is the review for Adidas Advantage VS Advantage. So I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.